Today we're gonna be doing a YESSTYLE unboxing. As you can see, it's this tiny box. It's time for the unboxing. I'm just gonna open up with scissors. I'm just gonna cut everywhere I see. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is what the inside looks like. I got a cleanser because the have this kind of sporty something. I'm gonna try them later. And that's pretty much just my order. And it just looks so cute. I'm so happy. I wish I could say that I have a code for YESSTYLE, but I'm still not big enough for them to approve me. So the first thing that I open is this single lashes, because I did buy, like, you know, full lashes, full strips, but I thought that they were a bit too much for me and I wanted something more natural or easy to apply, so I bought these. Okay, so they're like doe eyes, spiky cluster false eyelashes, true rose blacks, one size, with the brand Flashy. And then I have, oh my god, that's the palette, that's the palette! I bought a palette. Why is it so pretty? But it's so small, no way. And then I also have this packaging. It's adorable. I can't. I literally don't want to open this. It's so cute. Then I have this Misha cushion because I'll be doing my own graduation makeup and I wanted to have a foundation because I do not have one, and I bought this cushion one. It was quite affordable. I like the price. It wasn't as expensive for tier. It's priced around 10 euros and tier is around 20, so it's a steal. I hope it matches me. And then I have this Lily by Red glossy layer fixing tint. I had this in another shade which I lost, and when I went to buy it again, I saw that the shade that I wanted was sold out, so I settled for this one because I thought it looked the most similar. So this is the shade. I cannot tell you, but it's number 5. It's only in Korean. Okay. Then I have a setting spray. Okay. This is by the brand Pink Flash. I have a palette from them, which I really liked, and I was very happy with it. So I thought that maybe I should get their setting spray because they're very affordable and their reviews were very good. So here I am. Like, this is the biggest haul I've ever done. What's that? Oh, it's the eyeliner. That is so cute. You know, I like this packaging. I don't like so much plastic, but it's so pretty. I also appreciate that most of the things come in paper plastics. So the first plastic was pretty much the shirt, and then this plasticky, but it's pink. It's so cute. Okay, continuing on, we have eyelash curler, a portable one. That is very cute. And I also don't have one. I've never curled my lashes, so I'm very excited to try all of these products. I just realized how many things I'm actually about. Okay. Then I have the Judy Doe highlight and contour. Yeah, I don't have highlighter or contour. I've never used any of these things, except, like, actually I only have eyeshadow palettes and eyeliner and moisturizer. I don't have any foundation, contour, concealer, stuff like that. So I thought that it was time to step up my game and prepare for the graduation by securing the products. But why is everything so perfectly matching? Everything is pink. Like, continuing with the gel though, we have this blush. Yeah, I thought a lot about this. I wondered if I should get the other shade, which was a bit cooler in my opinion. This is very pink, but my mom thought that this would look good on me, so here I am, listening to my mother's advice, because let's hope that mother demands space. Also, it matches my shirt. Yeah. And then the last thing from the haul is this Burrito cleanser. As you can see, it's very big. I bought it because it was on sale. It is also vegan and has a lot of good ingredients like olive oil and other oils. Wait, let me see the ingredients list. So it contains fruit oil, caprylic oil, other oil, seed oil, jojoba seed oil, which is grape seed oil, and a lot of natural ingredients. And I think burrito are vegan free and cruelty free, which is very important for me, as my previous cleanser was by survey, and I'm not sure if they're like certified for that. And also they're supporting genocide in Israel, so I wanted to have a better option. Though I didn't check if they're supporting genocide. This is, I'll keep that in mind for my next order as YESSTYLE, but okay, that's everything. Wait, let me show you. Okay, this is everything, guys. These are all the products, and they all look so absolutely adorable. Let's get started. Okay, I have to open this because mine is written on. Yeah, I think I'll review this later because I have a little bit left from my cleanser, my previous one, so I'm just gonna wait until I'm done with this. It is vegan, but I don't see the cruelty-free logo actually. Let's spray it red correctly. I'm most excited about the eyeshadow palette. So it is the eyeshadow palette by Cleo in the shade Rose Connect. What was it? Is the Pro Eye Palette, is the Air Pro Eye Palette in Rose Connect. The packaging is very cute. Okay, I have to put this. No way. Okay, I did it and then just again. This. It's actually so tiny. It's so small. Like, it's just tiny. Oh, there's a plastic wrap or something. Okay. I ran out of space, but that's fine. Let's continue with the haul. So, have the Cleo palette. As you can see, it's super pretty. So these are the swatches. I'm not sure if you can see anything. Okay, then let's start with the Jelly highlighter and contour, and I think there's a blush, but maybe it was unnecessary for me to get the blush, but that's great for you. I don't have any nails, and I'm still gonna be. How much? Oh. Don't be like me. Don't be. Oh, okay. I see the same packaging, pretty much the same concept as the Cleo palette. It's still. It's gorgeous. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. Isn't that so cute? Oh my god. There's a dent. Oh, there's a mirror. Okay, that's like so cute. It's adorable. I love it. I am so excited to use all of these. I'm so excited. Okay, let's continue with Judo and open the blush palette. Oh, these are actually so easy to open. Really? Okay, the PC. Oh, that's also so cute. Why is everything so cute? Like, it's the packaging that makes me want to spend my money. Okay, it's pretty much the same packaging, but okay, there's a foil. Okay, that's the blush. That looks so cute, and I think that's actually gonna look good on me. And maybe I can use this pale one as concealer. Let me put it back close. Everything's so cute. Actually, so cute. Continue with the Daisy cute. Daisy. It is so powerful. It's so cute. Guys, I don't know want to throw it in this packaging. It's a little bit dusty. Okay, we're fine. Oh yeah, these are bright. Maybe I really should have gotten the one in the rose one, because this is the pink one. But it's so cute. I will be doing a swatch on this, but it's hard when you do not have the tools in order to do it. Okay, I think I'm supposed to open this from here. Open. Okay, we've got the cushion out. Everything is so cute that I'm so happy. I'm so happy. You see, this is the packaging. So adorable. Okay. It also has a mirror. Hi. I have the little thing. Oh, it's so cute. How do I open it? Like add. Don't pay attention to me. Oh, I'm supposed to open it. Okay. We won't do that right now. I'm just unboxing everything because my mom also wants to see it. So I'm just opening everything. And yeah, unfortunately, I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to have the try on in this video. I'm not gonna open the last and fix sentence because I'm not gonna use them now. I can't open this. I had to stir it. Ah. Okay, and that's the scent. I don't know for which time I'm saying this in a different shade. I have some Vaseline on, but I hope it's not that visible. Let's see. Don't tell me it's a shade, but wait. They're almost the same. This is insane. Insane. It's a bit more pink. I like it. I like it. It's very pretty.